When you contact us through Let's Connect Online, we review your message in the order it's received, and our goal is to get you answers as soon as possible. A few simple details help us get it right on the first try. Please include your name and the best way to reach you, your Cyclone Rake model, and your tractor make, model, and mower deck size. There's a wealth of information on our website in the Cyclone Rake Owners Marketplace. Every model has clear, component-by-component diagrams and breakdowns, so you can see the exact part you're asking about. If anything is unclear, we may follow up and ask for photos. When you send them, please include your case number. From the 1st of September through mid-December, it's our busiest time of year. We reply in the order messages arrive, and we aim to get back within 24 hours, often sooner. Need an answer now? Try the Cyclopedia. You can reach both the Owner's Marketplace and the Cyclopedia from cyclonerake.com, one place with links to everything. Send your request with these details, and we'll take it from there. We're happy to help, and we appreciate your support of our company.